Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream like Amul. Amul ice cream is renowned for its incredibly rich and creamy texture, along with its delightful flavor profile. To replicate this quality, we need to understand the precise balance of ingredients and the specific processing techniques involved. We will delve into the essential components that give Amul ice cream its signature characteristics, guiding you through each crucial step. The foundation of great ice cream lies in its ingredients. You will need high-quality dairy, specifically full-fat milk and fresh cream, to achieve that signature richness. Sugar is also vital, usually making up about 14 to 16% of the mix, providing both sweetness and contributing to the smooth texture. Additionally, stabilizers and emulsifiers are often incorporated to ensure a consistently smooth product, preventing large ice crystals from forming. Once you have your ingredients, the next step is thorough mixing. Combine all your liquid components completely before applying any heat. Then, you will pasteurize the mix. This involves heating it to a minimum of 75 degrees Celsius and holding it there for a short period. Pasteurization is crucial for food safety, eliminating harmful bacteria, and it also significantly improves the overall stability and shelf life of your ice cream base. After pasteurization, homogenization is key. This process breaks down fat globules under high pressure, creating a smoother, more consistent texture. Next, age the mix. Chilling it for at least 4 hours or even better overnight allows ingredients to fully hydrate and flavors to meld. Finally, freeze the mix rapidly in an ice cream maker. This quick freezing incorporates air, resulting in that light, creamy, and delightful Amul-style ice cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.